Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are changing our windshield wipers on our 2010 Acura ZDX. Stay tuned, I'll show you a step-by-step process. Please hit the like and subscribe button below. Alright, we are going to start on the left driver's side. We got a pretty good deal on these Michelins. The size is 19-inch for the passenger side, 26-inch for the driver's side. But these are basically the sizes you need for an Acura ZDX. Let's go ahead and remove the windshield wiper from the package. So there's a lot of little pieces in here that we don't really need for an Acura. Set the package aside, and basically these are the identical ones that I replaced years ago. And this is the protector. Go ahead and slide that off. All right, we'll measure it up, make sure it's the correct size. All right, so it's identical to the one that's on there right now. So what you want to do is you grab a hold of this arm and you lift this up, both sides up, like that. And from here, you can slide this. There we go. So firm pressure, and then you just push it down. Once you get to this point, you rotate it, and then you can maneuver the arm. There we go. So you're left with just that arm, and what it does is this hooks onto that little section right here. So basically you just get the new one, and it's identical setup to that one. So you push this through first, like that. And then you line it up, and then you push outwards. There we go. There, and you hear it click. Done. So I also have the factory windshield wiper from the Acura ZDX. I kept it. Eventually, what I normally like to do is I get replacement blades and keep everything OEM from Acura. But I got really good deals on the Michelin windshield wipers, and they work well. But I'll put these back on later. And basically this works the same way. You lift this tab up, and then do you see how this has that where the hook goes on? So if you have the factory windshield wiper, this is what you will be lifting up, and then you push that back down to lock in place. Passenger side, 19-inch. Take out all the other plastic pieces that you don't need. So this one has a little piece right here in the packaging. You remove the yellow pieces, and this slides out. Set that aside. So what we want to do, same thing as the other side. You grab this and then lift that up. First you lift, and then once that is up, slide like that. So yeah, let me demonstrate that again. Oop. Okay, so it's like that. And you just slide this down right there. All right, here's the new one. Flip that up. This. Then line it up like that. Click. Alright. Well, there you have it. That's how you change the windshield wiper on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX.